Quiet Earth Moss is a provider of a variety of natural acoustic and biophilic solutions to utilize the tranquil and noise reduction benefits of preserved moss. Preserved moss walls enable healthier work environments by combining biophilic principles and acoustic engineering with completely custom design. These moss walls are made with 100% natural moss and preserved with sustainable, environmentally friendly natural oils and food dye. The variety of mosses require no watering or natural light, maintaining their beautiful natural textures for many years. Quiet Earth helps reconnect staff to the tranquility of nature. Constructed with Isoboard, a leading acoustic backing material, Quiet Earth Moss is proven to attenuate noise, reducing stress within the workplace, and enabling concentration. Research across various industries reveals the advantages of bringing the outside world into office design, include increased concentration levels, improved creativity and engagement, reduced stress levels, mood improvement, higher rates of productivity, greater sense of well-being, and reduced fatigue. Designers and architects now have the ability to create stunning high-impact walls, framed art, or ceiling panels with a colorful and versatile selection of mosses, such as reindeer, pole, sheet, mood, and mixed mosses. If you have any questions, or you'd like to learn more about the benefits of bringing the beauty of nature indoors, contact the Ginger Grant Group today.